we are going to make the designs. It's an image there. Use the curve here. I will use it. Add the different features. Make a design. Add some filters from the filter gallery. Use another structure. Increase the stroke length. We have to use it. Then apply a paint around it. So we will select a history brush tool to remove all the changes around the faces of the character. Then we have to make the selection around these to make an adjustment. So we will choose the exposure here. So that's it.